Hello everyone, welcome back again. So day 2 of restarting these videos. So I did manage to get one done the day after the last one. That turned out to be, I think, 37 minutes. I've been editing that now. So yeah, there was a lot to talk about in that one, wasn't there? So hopefully you all enjoyed that. So let's start with out here. We've actually got some rain today, first day for about a month. That was the one that was on Grant's ramp yesterday with the polished headlights. The bumper is off at paint. Having a new grille fitted to that as well, because it turned out the grille was all damaged. So he's finished his under seal, or is he? Yeah, you see it all in there, look, all under sealed. This one here was the one Chris was fitting the roof on. That's due back out today. Nice new roof on there. They will now be being shown on the website. Ashley's doing that right now, so they'll be ready to order either to fit yourself or to have us fit them. So it happens sometimes, you just have to revolve it as you're doing them. I'll go out to Roy first because he's making the most noise. Let's find him. Snuck up on you.
You did? Yeah. You alright?
Yeah. Cool. Where were we on this one yesterday? Can't remember now.
None of this was in.
Oh, that's right, yeah, you were...
All this lot was in on the other side,
yep.
and this lot wasn't in.
Okay.
So, yeah, busy day today. Still in plating.
Yep.
Still on. Rear box section done, and outer panel done the other side as well, so...
That's kind of, look at that. I think last time you'd literally just got them welded in and they weren't ground back with no sill-in plate. No sill-in plate. Ooh. Temperature too high. That's weird. Yeah. No, that's alright. So yeah, sill-in plates on, outer skin all on. Cool.
So I'm just about to do the inner arch.
Alright, new inner arch lip.
Inner arch lip, and then outer panel.
Hold that up there. Okay. More trimming to do on that then?
Oh, a lot more trimming,
yeah.
Yes. I've literally just cut it off the panel, so...
Oh, okay. We did just watch you do that.
You did?
Yeah.
So, yeah, a lot more trimming. So, yeah, get that done, and then onto outer panel.
Cool.
And then whatever else it requires.
I can't remember.
Under seal and stuff, so...
Yeah. Alright.
Alright.
Cheers, Roy.
No worries. It means I can't make no noise, you know?
Not for 5 minutes or so.
Because I can't work.
Yeah. Right, I think this one was... I don't think the seam sealer had been put on. I don't know, I can't remember. Can't remember where he was on this one. This is the one we were talking about with the full seal and everything on it. Jake has been messing about with the doors because the doors were... let's get this a bit lower. These doors are rotten on the bottom. Starting to see that a bit more now on Mark 2s. You see around there, look. All gone, all along. It's just that seam started to blow out. That's all gone. So it's having replacement doors, both sides. Have you done that side? Yeah, that one's got it on already. So they'll all be painted. They're just being test fitted at the moment. Chris is doing wiring on this heated screen.
I can't see.
Hey?
I can't see anymore.
Well, even with your new bionic eyes.
Like really close up underneath there, I'm still struggling to like focus. Yeah.
How's it going? So you got them wires down and in.
Yeah. So this is an electrically heated front screen. but customers informed me that he had a relay fitted for a rear heated window, and there was some wiring in here. But if you come around the back, this car's got a little bit of extra wiring in, which I don't really want to touch. Yeah, so I think I'm just going to do something new.
Are you?
Yeah, so I've had a look for it, I can't see it. And what I can see, I can't confirm whether it's to do with the stereo or something else. And when something's got this much extra wiring in, it's all underneath the dash as well. So we're just going to put in a switch.
He's quite specific on where he wants that switch.
I've already spoke to him.
Okay. Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Right.
That's going to go underneath the immobiliser
Alright.
with enough wiring to change it in the future.
Okay.
Yeah, just going to pop it there.
He's going to put a Mk2 dash in it anyway, isn't he, at some point? Yeah.
He just wanted the wiring long enough to be able to move it all.
Righto. How did you deal with the wiring that was coming up through the top? Is that something you can show us yet or not?
What I did was I got
cut a small hole in it, yeah?
I used this this one, and I did that just underneath the screen,
Right.
so it put a nice big hole at an angle, so just going in that way.
Yeah.
I found it easier so I could get my hand in.
It'll be a nice water drain as well. Stop all the water ending up at the bottoms of the wings, wouldn't it?
Well, this is what I thought, and he wanted to hear more sort of engine sounds.
Yeah.
No, I didn't do that. It's sort of come through here,
it's
it
all-
goes through that grommet, it comes over this side and then it comes in down there.
All nicely hidden.
Yeah.
Cool. It's had a
You
new,
can sort of just see them
yeah,
there.
new plastic scuttle on there as well. So
Yeah.
cool.
Yeah, that's
All right. Thanks, Chris.
I'm going to get back to focusing now.
Yeah. Grant's on doing the engine mounts.
Yeah, trying to keep some engine mounts in.
This was the one we all like outside. Yeah. So not really a lot to see there, is there?
We've got a new diff to go in, but we need to contact the customer to see if he's.
Yeah, we
Dry shaft.
supplied us with a diff, but the car's got the wrong half shafts in it, so we don't have them on the shelf, but we do have them on a breaker. So I think Ash is dealing with what we're doing on that. And Jake is now, you saw this one, swing the camera around, you saw this one outside yesterday, and Jake is now starting to put it back together.
Hello.
How far have you got? Door cards back on,
Door card back on.
door handles back in.
Yeah, and the handle adjustment done. So
Yep.
just a little bit easier. Start putting the boot back together.
Cool.
Yeah, just needs a.
Yeah. Alright. Okay, cheers. So yeah, as I said, shorter video this time. But the other one, there was so much to catch up on. Can't believe that it ended up being 37 minutes. Anyway, thanks for watching again. See you tomorrow.